Okay, welcome to Dapp tutorial part 3, and in this tutorial we are going to see about dTables, right? And you are in channel student video tutorial, and you can find the step-by-step guide of this article in my site www.bootkey.com, right? I will place a link of this part 3 step-by-step guide in description below. So dTables, we will create dTables to insert records, right? So in case of centralized application or decentralized applications, we have to store information or records. So in case of Dapp, we'll create dTables in Atra site console.atra.io, and we'll insert records, and for that we need to add columns, right? We'll add one type is text, and name will be post, and next will be text again, and name will be username without space here, and the last one will be type address, and name will be user address without space here also. So in Atra, in console.atra.io, when we will create this table, and after that we'll add columns, right? And these three types, then contracts will be created there, right? And the code for contract will be automatically added, automatically created. So we'll see that in lab section of these dTables. This is part 3 for a theory of what we are going to do, and in Dapp tutorial 04, that will be on lab on dTables, demonstration of dTables through laptop. Okay, thank you very much for watching.